Welcome back, everybody. Alex with Stop on Yellow RVing down at Pete's RV Center of South Windsor, Connecticut. Today, we've got the Jay Feather 21 mml. It's going to be a smaller Murphy bed style couples coach. Starting off here, large pass-through storage to it. Then this one has the griddle option with it as well. Got your nice front cap there with the rock guard, two 20-pound propane bottles. Maybe we'll get to the boring stuff first, so we'll go around this way. So you've got one slider on here. So starting off with the boring stuff, on-demand 60,000 BTU hot water heater, your city water connections there, cable inputs there. Then off the back, your outside showers here, power cord plugs into right there. Then this is your black tank flush right up here. Giving you a look at the back, you've got a ladder going up to your fully walkable roof on it. Then this is where that port system is going to come into play. So your arm and tray for your griddle is going to sit right there, and then your quick connect for propane. Looking at your campsite here, large power awning on it, LED strip light on right under it. Then it also has the marine grade speakers, Goodyear endurance tires as well. This also features the Jayco climate shield, so it's tested from 0 to 100 degrees. Then your MoRide flip out steps here, nice and sturdy. Not like the old flip out styles that would always get stuck when you're trying to pull those out. So looking at some specs on here, this is 25 foot, 11 inches overall. So I'd say it's a mid to small size couples coach. That's about 5,200 pounds dry weight. The Jay Feather's part of Jayco's lightweight lineup. So towable by most half-ton trucks. Coming on the inside here. Then you got this beautiful interior with the farmhouse look. TV right up above there. Then your drop down dinette with a large window which overlooks your campsite. This is a great floor plan if you're having guests over. You've got your two theater seats right there right across from the TV. And then your jackknife style sofa. So you can be kind of hanging out, conversing. You have people sitting at the dinette as well. And you've got two storage drawers right under your sofa there. Then a little plastic fold-out table, the storage spot. So pretty ingenious almost. Good spot for it. And then you've got some cup holders on your jackknife sofa. Alright, and this will drop down when you want to make the bed. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Easily done. So that's going to flip back. You got this nice soft mattress there. It is a split mattress. And you've got little reading lights on both ends. Then little end tables, kind of back cubbies there. Then you do have outlets and USBs on both sides of the bed. Storage here, hanging space. And then another hanging space right over here. Pull down roller shades. Then you've got the reflective side on the back. It's over all your windows. Let's put this back up. Pretty easy, you can do it with one hand. Clicks right in there. And then boom, just like that, quick 2-second thing and you're ready for bed or ready to entertain. Okay. Another look, nice mirror in here. Makes the space feel more open, especially with all these bright colors in here. Checking out your refrigerator. I believe this is an 8 cubic foot fridge to it. 12 volt refrigerator. There is solar on top as well. So there's a 200 watt panel. We'll come back to that. Nice storage here. Storage there. 3-piece burner cooktop and oven. Then you've got a nice little knife block back here for storage of all your knives. Storage here. Storage here. It's all hardwood core cabinetry as well. Amish built, pocket screwed and glued. You've got your 2-piece sink here. More storage. And up here. Even more drawers. Lots of storage. A smaller trailer. Can't say you don't have enough storage in here. Taking a look at the bathroom. Still a good size. A little vent fan right there. Linen closets here. And you've got medicine cabinet. And then same with the matte black finish on your faucet there. Storage down below. Looking at the shower, decent size for a smaller trailer. Not bad. Skylight right above it. Plenty of storage shelves in the shower as well for all your shampoos and soaps and conditioners and whatever else you need. We'll get another pan around inside the coach. Circuit board right here as well. I don't think I showed this storage. It's another huge one. I mentioned earlier there is a 200 watt panel up on top. That's your solar controller there. And that's going to be for your AC and heat. So yeah, this has been a good overview of the Jay Feather 21 mml. Vent fan right above the bed as well. Pretty close actually. Then you do have this shade for privacy if you are having other folks sleeping on the dinette or something like that. So yeah, it's been a good overview. Alex, stop on Yellow RVing, Pete's RV Center, South Windsor. Like, subscribe, comment, watch another video. Or don't. Thank you.